Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your app store region on your iPhone. So for instance, you're in a different country and you want to change it. Firstly, you're going to go to Media and Purchases and then select View Account. And just going to wait for it to load. I'm voice overing it because the voice is gone. I don't know where it went. So again, waiting for it to load. And once it has loaded, you are going to basically select the region. I hope you saw that. And then you're going to change country or region there. Then select the one you want, maybe United Kingdom or whatever. And you're then going to select agree once you selected the correct region. Then you're going to select agree and you're going to add in your information and stuff like that. But that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much. Bye.